In this question, we have to determine which expression will represent the area of the rectangle that we've been given. So looking at the rectangle we've been given, we have 3x and 5x minus 2 as the dimensions for that rectangle. Now these would represent the length and the width. So if we think about the area of a rectangle, we're talking about multiplying the length by the width. So in this case, we've got two dimensions. We get the length is 5x minus 2, and we've got a width of 3x. So when we write that out, we need to multiply that together. So to multiply together, remember, we'll need to use the distributive property to make sure we multiply both terms inside this bracket by that 3x. So doing that, we have 5x multiplied by 3x, which will give me 15x squared. And I'll have a negative 2 multiplied by a positive 3x, which will give me minus 6x. So taking that now and comparing that to our four possibilities, we can see that our solution to number 17 would be D.